Get our 19 and our 3/4 here, so we want to put the bracket on first. But first, we gotta get all that off, so hold on a minute. Yeah, so this is pretty nice here. Look how big the pistons are on that. That is incredible. Let me bring the other one over here. Here's the other one. Pretty good size. I think the pad size might be the same, but I think I'll have to measure it, but it looks like the pistons are a smidge bigger. So, well, yeah, caliper definitely looks a little bit bigger. Let's put the brake pads here. And new brake pads if anybody needs them. There's a story in this too. We'll talk about that in a minute. Or so. Well, I guess they're about the same. Brake pads are about the same size. A little meatier through the width there, but about the same length and everything. So, anywho, like I said, this is for a 2007, 2008. Thereabouts. Kind of depends. All the way up through 2011, I believe. So one portion has a flat, one portion has a curve. So don't forget that. Alright, pull these over here. Get our 19 and our 3/4 here, so we want to put the bracket on first. But first, we gotta get all that off. So hold on a minute. Alright, so you'll need this star bit to get down here. Right here. Always remember NSDs for jobs like this. So we'll break those loose first. Now the bolts here for the carrier are 18 millimeters, just like the rear. So, and I believe on this one, being an 02, the torque is about the same. But we'll show you that and go from there. Don't forget this little 10 millimeter bolt up here too. That'll make it easy to move that caliper around without messing up the hose. Right now we don't have time, but it does need a front end rebuild, so we'll get that eventually here. These front shocks too. This Suburban has 242, 243, something like that. So I got it with 226, so I haven't really racked up that many miles since 15, but I don't think we had any problems with the front brakes. It just seems to be that rear. So, we'll see. Hopefully once this is all together, get everything bled, put back together, we'll have some good news. It will drive like it's supposed to.
You might not know football, you might not know the Seattle Seahawks and Green Bay Packers, but you do know about that. And I was especially know to really recognize that hand as you need to.
Yeah, of course that won't come out. Can't reuse the screwdriver. In this clip, we don't want to replace the brake line, so that's what we're trying to preserve at the moment. Diameter. Alright, I got that off. Be careful with your hose. The hanger's here too. We'll actually be a little more cautious. That should be good. We just need to break these bolts here. I'm gonna get a breaker bar for that. Alright, we're back. Wrong way. Wrong way. There's that one. This one. A little trickier since we got our caliper there. Okay. I actually don't think those were short enough, to tell you the truth. I don't think they should have come that easy. Yeah, so I'll have Bear put this video that I watched. I did some reading, looked at some of the GM truck forums, and I found this 1 minute and 50-second video on YouTube. Really incredible. A guy had an 05 Suburban and he had an 2011 Suburban. He wanted better brakes than the 05, so he found out just by fitting the parts himself, doing the research, that these parts would fit directly. So he showed the parts by themselves and everything lined up good. So I'm going to break apart the. That's more rain coming. On the side note there, you notice this pad here, how it's worn, kind of weird. It's got a groove. I'll show you why. I didn't notice this. These are the original rotors, I believe. Got this crazy groove here. So while this was working, it wasn't even grabbing this much at the rear of the disc. So the new ones should really make a big difference. So we'll set this to the side, and I'll show you the size difference here. So got a new rotor in here. A bunch of good. Yeah. Smooth there. So clean up our brackets here, and let me go break that bracket loose, and we'll show you everything. Alright, so here's our new bracket. We'll set it here, and you can see that the bolt holes line up real nice. So let me put that there for a minute. So I check these boots. I got to buy one new one. One of these boots was kind of messed up. Looks good. This is some heavy duty hardware. Both these bolts here, the insert and the nut itself are 19mm 3/4. Really nice. Thankfully they did come pre-lubed. We're going to look at that. Nice and lubed. Back in there. Ooh, beautiful. Yeah, so look at that. Once we get the rotor, it's perfect. So let me grab the rotor. This here for the before we grab the rotor, just go ahead and put our bracket and rotor back on. Go ahead and break these break this nut loose for the caliper. Get that fluid draining. Grainy looking here.
deal with so much in the field with shorthand, and all the deals. So it's been a blast. Obviously, if you follow football over the years, we've gotten some really good people, we've gotten one artist and another one. It's been incredible thing. Ups and downs all over the place.
Wow, and still providing them with capacity to do writing and sports because when you're in charge of actually
That broke loose, right? I think it's the hose. We'll find out. Ah. Gross.
Really good friends with the guy. I noticed a lot of beautiful.
Put new fluid in here, obviously, as well.
Yeah, well, I think it's similar to
Alright, so that's good. Fill up our courtesy here. And let's put our new rotor on. I'll put a little TNT on the hub here. That's pretty good. Not a lot, but a little bit. I'll show you the difference here real quick. So there you go. Pretty good size difference. Wanted to try the slide and rotor. I've had that before, and they're a distinct finish, so that's kind of impressive. Yeah, looking at it.